Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Hey! Who are you? What's your name? What's your name?
Jesse.
Are you Jesse?
Yeah, the cowboy dog.
Cowboy Dawn, who are you? What?
Woody.
Can you say it?
Woody.
Camera shot? Please, you gotta be kidding me. What is your name? I see your belly. What's that? Is that your belly button?
Eli, man. Who are you?
Who are you? What's your name? Nice finger up your nose. Nice. That's great. Good job. Oh, and in your mouth too. That's wonderful. I'm so proud.